Well, one of the reasons that I come out here quite a bit is we cross-country ski, we mountain bike, and we hike. And I've lived all over the country, and you just don't find a outdoor nature area like this in many communities. We're so fortunate in this community. And we're part of the crew that actually grooms the cross-country trails because we like to ski. And so we do a pretty good job. And I think if you don't get out here and try it, you're missing the boat. We've got great cross-country ski trails.
You should explore the nature reserve every day. You can see little foxes and dead bunnies. And you get to go on hikes. Yeah, and you get to see the nature. And something today that I enjoyed was that we got to see a deer.
Cool. Did you guys make some new friends at camp?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
I made lots of new friends.
Awesome.
And I'm so excited today that I get to see this ink my best friend.
As most people know, I've been associated with Riverbend for a very long time. I first volunteered here back in around 1980 or so, helping out with some programs. And in all those years, it finally dawned on me what's really going on with me and with everybody else that visits the Nature Center. This place has gravity. You don't really think of it that way, but it has gravity. I first was pulled in and started working in the late 70s, early 80s. I'd come and go from time to time with my college years, then I'd be back again. Sometimes I would be here for a few months, sometimes I'd be here for a few years. But after a while, obviously, I was lucky enough to work here and stay here for, well, basically about 17 years full time. And it was an amazing experience. And in that time, I got to watch that gravity also impact other people. Other people that come and go, whether it be students that come in for programs, whether it be families that show up for a Halloween event, whether it be just a mom and a couple of kids that want to walk through on a Tuesday afternoon, or a dad and their children on a Saturday afternoon, just exploring the Nature Center and making connection and starting to feel the pull of this place, what it actually can do to the people that allow it to hold them and become a part of their lives.